Hi, welcome to Lincoln Memorial University. We are outside of Dar Hall, home to the undergrad admissions. I am Jericho.
And I am Gibson, and today we are going to walk you through the process of applying to LMU.
We know applying to colleges and managing your college search process can be overwhelming.
But trust us, LMU makes this extremely easy with their fully online process and no application fee.
In fact, all you need is a phone, a tablet, or a computer, or anything with internet access.
Oh, and don't forget your high school graduation date and your social security number.
So let's head inside and let's show you how easy it is to apply and become a Railsplitter.
Your first step is to open your browser and go to www.lmunet.edu. Once you are on the web page, there is a lot of great information to take in. You can take a virtual tour of the campus, or you can even explore your future major. But if you're ready to go ahead and dive in, you can click apply in the top right corner of the screen.
This will open the online application portal. You'll have two options. If you have never applied to LMU before, you'll need to select a new user and set up a new account. Once you've logged in or created a new account, you'll need to select undergrad and begin filling out the application.
Once you have completed the application, you'll be ready to submit your application. But wait, you still aren't done. The next step will take some help from your high school guidance counselor. Make sure you have your official transcript sent directly to the LMU Office of Admissions, and if you have taken any previous courses for college credit, you'll need to get those transcripts sent as well.
Your last step is to request that your ACT or SAT scores will be sent to LMU. We know that due to the global pandemic, you may not be able to take the ACT or SAT. With that in mind, LMU is going to test optional.
And that's all there is to it.
Once you complete your form online, you'll want to make sure LMU gets your transcript and your test scores. Then you'll want to keep a good eye out on your email and mailbox.
LMU has a rolling admission, so this means they send out acceptance letters very often. So if you get accepted, you should be hearing from us very soon.
If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach us. Contact us at our email at admissions@lmunet.edu or contact us on the chat portal at the admissions website.
We can't wait for you to join Railsplitter Nation. Thank you.